Welcome to YOKOR Windows. In this installation guide, we're going to install the standard swing door handle. Here's a list of the tools you require. Now, pull it apart. The screw side goes to the back of the door. Depending on the direction of the door, you can change the handle to work either left or right hand. The outside with the pin goes through the top hole, like so. The inside with the screws goes on the inside. If you hear the click, grab the screws. And the handle's on. Now, you grab the cylinder, making sure that it all lines up so it can slide in. So we don't want it like that, we want to rotate it all in line. Push it through to the center, then grab the screw, it lines up. Like so. And it's that simple. Thank you for tuning in to YOKOR Windows Installation Guide. See you next time.